That's all I need right there. Well, that's all I need is 2 wrenches. Why you got this damn bucket channel lock? We don't need that.
You dip your asses, nigga.
No, shit, we need this. Pressure wrench is better. Right, hold that. Hold that right there. Alright? Hold that what you got.
That Christian's the word for load.
Alright, hold what you got. Let's tighten this shit up. Cause these are pop-ons. You don't get all this shit together first. Alright. Alright. Alright, here we go again. Just hold on to it.
That nigga slipped off.
No, I didn't. Hey, you slipped off. Shit. There you go. Shit, that ought to be good. That ought to be good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Let's do the other one.
You got the hammer on that nigga.
No, you don't put too much hammer on it. Shit. You want the big one?
I don't give a fuck.
I'm just waiting for one of y'all to crush the other one's fingers.
No, get on that. Get on that. Same way we just did this one. Let's don't change up the middle of the game.
Goddamn. Alright.
Alright, here we go. Let's tighten it.
That's construction too. Don't hurt yourself. You've got load too long.
Right. There we go.
Price tag and shit.
Yeah. I have.
The nigga ain't used to working.
Alright, that's good. That's funny. Funny. Now, take a break for a second.